Alright everybody, welcome back to the series of Nginx as load balancer, and in this video we're going to see how to install Nginx on our Ubuntu servers. And it's easy, it's 2 commands. So first we want to do sudo apt-get update, let everything run. Same here, apt-get update, and I'll do sudo apt get update here too. While it's done, the second command we are doing is sudo apt-get install Nginx, and we want to say yes, we want to install that. Same here, sudo apt-get install Nginx, sudo apt-get install Nginx. Yes. Okay, it's done. It should be up and running. But now the issue is that if you go ahead and check your IP address, it will probably not tell you anything. It won't give you any response. If you remember, we set up UFW, which is Ubuntu Firewall. So we need Ubuntu Firewall to allow Nginx to listen on the ports. In order to do that, we can do sudo UFW allow Nginx HTTP. So you want to make sure that you follow Nginx HTTP character cases and single quotes, and you want to also do HTTPS. So they should be good to go. Same here. Run one more time and run one more time, and you can see in background it just popped up Nginx because UFW started allowing the Nginx connection. So if I refresh, I am able to see that now. So what I'm going to do right now, we don't need to worry about anything anymore. Everything's working. One thing we can do is we can check systemctl status Nginx. It says it's running, loaded, green is good. Oopsie. So Control C to get out, and so our Nginx is up and running and we are good to go. So in next video we'll be seeing how to use this guy as load balancer while these guys serving their own web page. And I will show you how to change the default index file page for these two, and we'll set up this guy as the load balancer. Alright, say thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.